Girlfriend, when Stitch Fix asks me if I want a quick fix, I can almost never say no. So that's why I'm back so soon with another Stitch Fix. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name's Andrea. I like subscription clothing unboxings and shopping hauls and try-ons and clothes. Just clothes. If you like that kind of content, then I hope you will hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And if you like this video, please give me that like. Had to let Sophie in. So Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. They give you a stylist who will pick out items for you to preview. They pick out 10 items for you to preview. You can choose 5 items. If you don't choose 5, they will add to it, make 5. And it is a $20 styling fee unless they offer you the Style Pass, which is $49 for a year of unlimited boxes. That's what I have. They offered me that after 3 fixes, I think. So I did choose a couple things from the preview. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix yet, I will leave my link below. If you use that link, that will give you $25 off your first purchase, and it'll give me $25 too. And occasionally they'll offer a little more, but it seems like it's been a while since they've done that. Okay, in your box, you're gonna have a return envelope. So shipping is included both ways. There will be a note from your stylist, that we call that the Oh Hello card. And it also has some style ideas. And then the price list, which I save until the end. And for my last fix, I did keep 2 items. So we've got some pretty colors going on here. Oh my goodness, am I gonna be in trouble again? Yep, those are pretty colors. All right, loud part. Okay, so first up, we have from SPRUCE. This is the Juuna high-low knit top in light pink. And it's just a, tuck the tags away. It is just a crew neck. It's in this pretty pink, blue, and white stripe and a rounded back hem and then just straight across the front. And it is that high-low. And it looks like just plain sleeves. We'll see how that looks. It's nice and soft. Okay, this is something that I picked out, and you might be surprised because it is made of polyester. It is the 41 Hawthorn Morey split neck sleeveless blouse in navy, and it is, I'm trying to get the tags out of the way. It's this pretty print. It's kind of like an animal print. It's got the split neck and collar, sleeveless, pretty straight hem. That is really pretty. I like that. Like that blue. I like the little pattern on it. Okay, up next is a pair of shorts, and I feel like I picked these 2. These are SPRUCE, the Alicia mid-rise embroidered short. So in this pretty turquoise color, and it's got the embroidery there, and then also on the back. Pretty color. Okay, and next up we have, looks like a pair of maybe capris, violets and roses. Harrietta cropped skinny pant. I think I might have chosen this too. It's got a stretchy waistband and just the pockets. And then pockets in the back that are real pockets, but not very deep. So in this pretty lavender color. And then last, these are cute. Democracy Absolution Karessa Absolution Capri Skinny Jean. in this pretty pink color. And cuffed. Oh, you guys, I might be in trouble. All right, I will show you my outfit of the day, and then we'll try these on. And before I do that, though, I do want to thank you for spending part of your day watching my video. I so appreciate it. I know that you have lots of YouTubers to choose from, and it always means so much to me when you choose mine. All right, let me show you what I'm wearing today. After I film, my husband and I and a friend of ours are going to a restaurant nearby that has a jazz happy hour, and one of the people in the trio is a friend of ours. So that's why I'm a little bit dressed up today. Oh, and did you notice my hair? I got it highlighted, and I told her, go blonde, because the blonder I am, the less you can see the gray when my roots come out, and she delivered. So let me know what you think about my hair. Just did the color, didn't do anything with the cut, just because I'm trying to grow it out a little bit. All right, let's try some clothes on. Today I am wearing this polka dot dress. It was from Amazon. Can't remember who made it. It was pretty inexpensive. I was on the hunt for a polka dot dress, I think it was last year, and this is the one that I chose. It's very comfortable, really easy to care for, you know, doesn't hold on to wrinkles, has a little bow here, and then the shoes are heels from Charles David. All right, let's try on these clothes. All right, I'm gonna call this my pretty in pink outfit. So I've got on the, I think it was Market and Spruce made this, I can't remember now. This top, this like t-shirt, it's very soft, and Democracy makes the pink jeans. And then I put them on with these are kids, my pink kids. So let's talk first about the top. This outfit goes well together. This is what she suggested, and it really does go very well together. I like the colors in the top, the pink and the blue and white. The crew neck is okay. What I don't like is the high-low, because it goes down quite low and it kind of flips out. My daughter said it looked kind of like a ducktail. So I really don't like that part of it. And when I took everything out, this is what I was kind of the least excited about. But you know, sometimes that Stitch Fix math will get you, so you'll end up buying something you don't love. All right, let's talk about the jeans. These are Democracy Absolution jeans. They are cuffed up, so they're a capri length. If I rolled them down, they would be pretty short, but I could, you know, that's definitely a look that I could wear. I like the jeans. They're a pretty color. I think they fit well. Here's up close. They are a mid-rise. My belly button is up here. This is from the back. So what do you think of this outfit? I like the jeans. I don't have pants this color in my closet. I do have some lavender Citizen 7 for All Mankind jeans, and I compared them, and they are pretty different. So yeah, let me know what you think of these, and we'll try something else on. These are the shorts by, what are they by? Market and Spruce? Yes, Market and Spruce. And this pretty turquoise color. She had suggested that I pair it with a white tee, but I had this mint green color tee that I got from White House Black Market, and I think that actually goes well with it. So come up closer so you can see the shorts. That's the embroidered detail, and then also on the back, which you can't see because my t-shirt is out. So these fit well. I'm not sure what the inseam is. Hold on, I'll measure them. They are a 5-inch inseam, which I think is a good length. I think they fit well. Nice nice width, not like tight, not too baggy. And that's them from the back. I think it does go well with this top. White would work too. So these were ones that I had saved and she picked. And yeah, I like these. All right, let me know what you think of these. So this is that blue and black top that I chose for my preview. And this is a winner for sure. I paired it with these black button front Veronica Beard jeans that I got from, I believe it was at Trunk Club. So we've got this split neck, and then it's got this placket that comes down that's stitched. And there's a little thread that needs to be trimmed. It's got the kind of gathered detail there. You can see my bra. So I might want to wear a racer back bra with it. Love to see. Comes up, good coverage on the side. And it feels very polyester-y. It's very crepey, but I really like the pattern. I feel like it goes well with black jeans. This is what it would look like out. So a little too short to wear with leggings, just a shade, but I really like this. We just had a discussion with my daughter and son-in-law whether it was a cheetah print or leopard, and she pulled up on Google and we determined it was a leopard print. So what do you think of this one? I think this one is going to be a for sure keeper. We have one more pair of pants. I think they're actually capris to go. So next we have these pretty lavender capris. The color is pretty. They fit pretty well. I don't like how wide they are at the bottom. I tend to like my capris to be pretty slim fitting at the calf. They are a mid-rise, so my belly button is right about at the waistband. And you guys, I put this white button down on it because I just didn't want to pull something else over my hair. So a couple things that I don't like, other than the wide leg, are these pockets in the back. What is up with that? They're stitched or something, so they flip up. Can you see that? I mean, that is so weird. So I don't like that. They're also very thin. You can see my underwear line, and as I've said before, these Chantal underwear usually disappear under just about everything. And I don't know if you can see it, but I could see it in the mirror. So I think these are probably going to be a no. Let's do prices and recap. So that was another really good fix. Those were really good picks. And let me read you my note from Marcia. Happy 70th Fix Day, Andrea. I hope that you are finding some fun outfits to pair the wedge sandals with from the last fix. I did wear them with that navy dress I gotten. Looks super cute. I see that you chose some really good pieces from the Fix preview to try again this time. The Madison shorts were in your saved items in freestyle, so I feel sure that they will be a winner. I know that you are looking for unique t-shirts and some casual pants, so let me know what you think of the purple cropped pants from Violets and Roses. Try them with the white tank from the June fix. Since I needed to add 2 additional items, I chose some light pink pants from Democracy that I paired with the Juuna high-low knit tee from Market and Spruce. Add some white sneakers or white sandals and you are set. I look forward to your unboxing and try on and hope these items are winners. Okay, so maybe I didn't. Well, these were in my saved items. All right, so all 5 pieces come to $248.97. If you buy all 5 pieces, Stitch Fix does give you a 25% discount, which would bring it down to $186.73, which I think is a really good price for 5 pieces. I am not going to be keeping everything though. So these Market and Spruce turquoise shorts are $58. I like those. They fit well. I like the little embroidery detail. Love the color. I'm just enjoying adding some color to my shorts wardrobe because before it had been mainly white and denim. So I think I am probably going to keep those. The Violets and Roses capris, were $34.97. And I wonder if that's why I wanted to, you know, it's funny, now that these pants are off of me, they're not doing that weird flip up thing. That is bizarre. I wonder if I chose them because they were on sale or something. Yeah, that's weird that it's not doing it now, but I like the color. That's what I like most about these. I felt they were a little wider than what I like, and that was just weird what that did, and it's weird that it's not doing it now. The Market and Spruce Juuna high-low knit top is $44, and that's a good price. I just felt like the low was too low. It like just was too much of a difference. And yeah, I liked the colors in this again, but didn't love it. It is really soft though. Then we have the Democracy Karessa Absolution Capri Skinny Jean, and these are $74. Of course, one of the things that I like would be one of the more expensive things. I'm trying to decide if that's as vibrant of a pink as I would like to add to my wardrobe. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. I wouldn't mind adding some pink jeans, but maybe these aren't quite pink enough. So I have to think about that. I did like them though. I thought they were super cute. And then this is a keeper for sure, the Morey split neck sleeveless top. And this is only $38, which I think is a fabulous price for a really cute top. Love the color, the pattern, the fit, the little pleating detail. Even though it's polyester, I really like that. And that is the one thing that is a for sure keeper. The turquoise shorts are highly likely. It is mid-July here, and we still have, you know, probably quite a few weeks of shorts wearing season, probably a couple months at least. So let me know what you thought. Probably, in all honesty, by the time I get this video up, I'm certain I will have sent these things back, so I will have made my choices, but I do want to know what you think, because that's always, I enjoy reading your comments, and I hope you'll leave me some comments. And if you like this video, I hope you'll give me that like. And if you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I hope you'll use my link. And if you have used any of my links, I really appreciate it. Coming up, well, what you're going to see before this is I'm getting a purse that I'm going to be showing, and then I have a one-to-pull and a drape fit coming up. So until next time, fashion friends, please dress like you mean it.